What's up? You know I don't usually wear hats, but my friend gave me this the other night. Thought I'd just wear it on here. Today's been terrible. The good news is, I think my hand's broken. Wait, that's the bad news. The bad news is, I think my hand's broken. The good news is, we made it home alive. Because this stupid lady, with her stupid, yap, 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 yap dog, wants to tempt me and this thing. A little yap dog. And the owner was like, "Oh, it's cool, Muffins. We'll just walk right up to him while I'm trying to drag her into a ditch." And she's pulling and, oh, my hand's being crushed and ripped to shreds. She's lucky her dog isn't a purse right now. So lucky. God, my hand kills. Something's definitely broken in the middle finger. Maybe a fracture, but it kills. Hurts really bad. So I was getting ready for my 3 days off, but now it looks like I'll just be nursing my fingers back to health. You know, when you see a pit bull and an owner walking down the street, clearly avoiding you and your little dog that's yapping and barking and really making my dog's mouth drool, you should not make a beeline towards that dog and that owner. Moving on, if I can. It's freaking raining outside today. How crazy is today? Is anyone else having a whack out day? Like, today is just the worst day ever, I think. Monday, ow, broken fingers day, rainy day, windy day, crap day. But at least I ordered a pizza, and hopefully that brightens it up, because I just had a terrible day. I'm not going to lie, I cried. I was pouting and crying the whole walk home with my dog. I was like, oh, who is this lady? Why did she do this? I didn't do anything. I was just walking my dog. And stupid lady. I'll remember that lady forever. I'm not a vengeful person, but ill. So, I just gotta go. I'm just gonna reattempt tomorrow. I'm sorry, guys. I'm injured. I need medical attention. I gotta go. Later, players.